Hello students, good morning jolly faces. Today we will be start our chapter number 8, that is getting to know plants. Okay, let's we begin. Students, the role of the plant is very important for our lives. We are dependent on plants for our food, oxygen, wood and medicine, etc. We see different plants around us. Some are tall and some are short. The body part of such as leaves, flowers, fruit, stem and roots are also different. All these plants we are classify them in different categories. These are tree, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. We learn the plant system, the root. Students, all flowering plants have two main systems, root system and shoot system. Okay. So student, we already know that the whole plant can be divided into two parts. Students, part are grown above the ground is called shoot system, and shoot consist leaves, flowers, branches and birds, fruits and etc. Student, underground part or the part remain under the soil is called root system. Okay students? So student, let us learn about structure and function of roots. Students, there are main two types of roots seen at the plant. Some plants have taproot and while some have fibrous root. Students, carrot plant is an example of taproot. The taproot from one main root grows from the base of the stem. This is called primary root, and many other smaller root grows from the main root. These are called lateral root. These main root keep growing downward and goes into the soil. Students, other plant that have a taproot, these are beans and beetroots. The fibrous root are seen at the plant like grass, and these type of root system almost equal root are the same size grows the base of the stem. These root grows sideways in a bunch and don't go in very deep in a soil. Some plants have fibrous root. These are onion and wheat. Students, roots are very important for plants. Look at this boy. He tried to pull out the bunch of grass from the soil, but the plant don't come out easily, and the boy left the pot. This shows the root of the plant are holding them firmly in the soil. Student, those the root function to prevent plant from being uprooted from fast wind and flowing water. Now look at this boy taking hole in soil. While making the hole, the boy removed the roots of the some grass. After a few days, he noticed the grass plant who the root removed that plant dried up and dead. Can you think that reason why is that? But roots absorb water and mineral from the soil. In the absence of the root, plant don't get water and dead. Root of many plants such as carrot, beetroot, radish also help us store the extra food made by the plant. And now we all know importance the root of the plant. So student, let me learn about root modification. What is root modification? Student, important function of the roots. Students, roots absorb water and most important minerals from the soil, and it also anchors plant soil. Students, apart from these, the important function that the root performs, it is that root bind the soil particle together. Hence, we can say that the root prevents soil erosion. That is the washing away the soil particles due to the wind, rain, etc. Students, you know, apart from these tasks, in some plants of root perform some special function. See this function one by one. Students, Few plant is store the extra food in the taproot from the future, like the carrot, radish, turnip, etc. The food stored in from the carbohydrate. We also eat these food as vegetable because these are a good source of carbohydrate. Students, in some plants its roots helping in reproduction, like example dahlia and asparagus. These are root developed in a new plant. Okay student, get it? Students, the dahlia plant store the excess food in the secondary root. These can be sown. They are called tuberous root. Students, sometimes the plant shoot dead but tuberous remain in the ground. Then the new shoot makes grows from the tuber. Help is a multiplication of plant. Okay, that is a multiplication. Now the mangrove tree grows in waterlogged soil from the marshland that has almost no air. So how that take oxygen? The tree, some branches of the root grows vertically upward and comes out of ground, get oxygen from the air. These called respiratory roots. They exchange gases. Now, some plants' tree roots come out the part of the stem to perform special function. These are called aerial roots. Aerial roots grow above the ground, like look at here. This is the root are the coming from the branch of the banana trees. As these roots reach ground, they also give us support from this plant, and these are called prop roots. These prop roots can be also seen in sugarcane. Few plants like dodder plant grows on other plants. Dodder plant absorb the nutrition from the host plant using the special type of root which growing from the stem. These are called parasitic roots. Okay, student, now we learn about black pepper plant. These plants having a climber roots. These roots help the plant climb up and support, which can be wall, tree, etc. Even the money plant and betel plant also having climbers root. Okay.